Alright, we're looking at question 36. It reads, many Texas caves provide a habitat for animals that live in total darkness. The caves are damp and cool, and most of the caves are rich in minerals calcite, or in the mineral calcite, excuse me. The diagram below shows the relationships of some of the organisms involved in a cave ecosystem. So if we look at the diagram given, we're looking at organisms right here inside the cave, right? It tells us that right here. And over here we're looking at organisms that are outside of the cave, but that do share relationships with the organisms within the cave. Alright, the question is, based on the diagram, which of the following statements is valid? So meaning we want to know which one of these statements is true. So let's look at what we have. It says snakes prey on bats and owls. Alright, here are snakes, and we can see that the snakes are definitely getting energy from eating the bats, right? So they do prey on bats, but there's no energy arrow going from the owl to the snake, so they do not prey on owls. So that cannot be a valid answer. It says owls are predators of bats, and bats are predators of moths. Well, let's look at this. Are the owls a predator of the bat? Yes, they are. You can see the arrow points to the owl, so the owl gets energy from eating the bat. And we need to know, are the bats predators to the moths? Well, if we look at that arrow, yes. The bats sure do get energy from eating the moths, so that is a good answer choice. Let's check the rest. Beetles compete with bats and cave spiders. Here are beetles. They're asking if they compete with bats. Well, the beetles are not eating anything that the bats are eating, so they are not in competition with the bats. And as far as the cave spider goes, the beetle looks like it's a prey, and the cave spider is predator, so that's not correct. And none of the above. We actually found an answer, so that would not be viable either. So our answer choice is G.